84th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power locks, the programmable memory seat, power windows with auto express windows, the child lock button, power adjustable side mirrors, they're also power folding, a premium Bose sound system, and door storage. To the left of the steering wheel we have the heads-up display button and information tab, trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the lighting controls. Just below the lighting controls is the park brake. All-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof up above. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons that are found on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. Next we have our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. We're able to scroll from side to side. We've got our trailer app, camera mode, and this screen also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, some USB ports, and power plug-ins. Next we have the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Lastly, we have the engine push start button. At the front of the Denali, we have that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera, chrome tow hooks down below, LED headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch unique Denali wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows, running boards down below, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you have the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, the rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. We also have the MultiPro tailgate snap, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we can drop that tailgate step down. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and box lighting. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. In the back, we've got lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the rear. The passenger door has power windows. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, the heated rear seat buttons, and the USB ports with the power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We also have behind the seat storage behind either of the rear seats, as well as under seat storage by lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.